take the straw and make the bottle float.
Are you kidding me? I would have never thought of that. That was cool.
Just like that.
What?
Glasses.
Yes! Oh, that's insane.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 10 magic challenges you will win every time. Magic challenge time, so you can win $20. The challenge is, there's a glass bottle here, empty bottle. You have to make the bottle fall over using your breath.
It's not even budging. It's too heavy. I don't know.
Alright.
Look at that. My head's light too. Oh gosh.
Take the paper bag like this that it's
Are you serious? Are you serious?
And blow the bottle over using your breath.
Very clever. I lose.
So as you saw, the secret to this one is really simple. So you want to use a big empty champagne or wine bottle, something heavy, glass, and then you want to have a brown paper bag right underneath it, just like this. Just looks random, like there's not a bag underneath it on purpose. And then once they've struggled and they can't figure out how to blow the bottle over using their breath, and you take the end of the brown paper bag, you're going to gather it up like this to create this little opening, and then you're going to blow into it. It'll inflate the bag, and as you can see, the bottle will just instantly tip right over when the bag inflates. All right, so I have a challenge for you.
Okay.
If I can get the contents of your bottle to pour out without tipping it over.
Okay.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Check this out.
Why would you do that? Stop! I can't drop it. Why would you do that? That's not...
It poured out.
Not cool. That is so gross. Why would you do that so I can't drink it anymore?
The secret to this one is as simple as banging the bottom of your bottle on the top of theirs. So all you do is hit, and it will overflow just like that. Okay, this is a really, really cool challenge. This is probably the most magical challenge of the video. So I have my little YouTube ring here, and I also have a chain. Metal chain. It's a solid chain. So here is the challenge. We're going to take the ring and we're going to put it on the chain. Hold out both your thumbs just like this. I'm going to put chain right there on your thumbs. So there's no way for me to get the ring off of the chain without removing the chain from one of your thumbs, correct?
Yeah.
So let's try it, right? Grab here. Here. It's not going to come off your thumbs, but I'm going to add one right there. I'm going to add one more right there. Now watch.
That was cool.
The chain.
Yes, it did.
Never left your thumbs, right?
Very clever.
Totally easy to do. All you need is a finger ring and you need a little chain like this. If you don't have one of these, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give this one away to one of you guys. You want to string the chain through the ring just like that. Here's what we're going to do. You grab the front chain right here. You pinch it right here by the ring, and then you're going to grab the back chain with your other hand and pull it forward to kind of make a little loop right here. And then you're going to grab with these two fingers. This is going to come over.
Still hold what you have.
Their thumb just like that, and you want to continue holding this loop right here. Then you're going to come over to the other side, and you're going to grab the back chain right here, and this is going to come and get looped over as well. And now you grab the ring and put gentle pressure forward, and as you release the pressure on this one, see this little loop right here? As that loop slides through there,
yes,
whole thing just comes right off, and it never leaves their thumbs. Okay, here's a really cool challenge that you can do. This is Kentucky bourbon in the top shot glass here, inverted on top of a shot glass full of water on top of a normal glass here, supported by 2 straws. The challenge is to get the bourbon into the glass below without touching any of the glasses. Pause the video right now, leave a comment down below, and let me know how you would get the bourbon in this top glass into this bottom glass below without disturbing the glasses. You can't touch them at all. So really simple explanation to this one. All you're going to do is take a drinking straw and you're going to blow gently around the edge of the glasses where they meet in the middle with the straw. See those bubbles starting to come up? You can see a little bit of bourbon is dripping down the sides of the bottom shot glass into the glass below. Check this out. And just like that, all the bourbon magically drains into the bottom cup. And that is an amazing magic challenge that you can pull off at home. Okay, fun challenge where you can win $10 US. All you have to do is take a match from this pack here. You have to drop it on the table and make it land on its side. If you can make it land on its side, you win 10 bucks cold cash. Give it a shot. Have at it.
Okay. This is too hard. It's not going, it doesn't even stay up, like, even if I hold it, it won't work. Or I can't get it. This is too frustrating. Like, can't even, like, let it go, and it just changes position as soon as I let go.
Let me show you the secret. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Here is the secret to dropping a match on its side every time. So all you do is bend it in half.
Are you kidding me?
No matter where you drop it, it's gonna land on its side.
I would never have thought of that.
So you can drop this over and over again, and no matter how you drop it, it lands on its side.
I mean, every time, right?
Yep.
Wow. Like it flipped.
No money for you. Okay, B, I have a cool challenge for you. So I have a glass bottle on the table here. It's turned upside down, and underneath it, I have a US $100 bill. So here's the challenge. Okay. You have to remove the bill from underneath the bottle without touching the bottle. You can only touch the bill. But if you remove it without the bottle falling over, you get to keep the $100 bill. You ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Fail. Fail. Okay, do you want to learn the secret?
Yes.
Watch. All you gotta do.
Oh, wow. Of course. Of course. And you don't touch it.
Or okay, really cool one here. I have 2 coins balanced on the edge of this cup right here. So the challenge is, can you pour the contents of this cup into the other one without the coins falling off?
I wouldn't even know where to start. Is there rules?
You have to use one hand.
Pretty positive I cannot balance, like, even lifting that up, and that's the first thing.
Can I show you the secret?
Yeah.
So you take the coins.
Stop. Oh, I would have never thought of that. Once again. Wow. Super clever.
And without spilling a drop, you pour the liquid into the other glass and don't drop the coins. So the first step to this is just to take a couple coins and you're gonna balance them on the edge of the glass. This is actually the hardest part of the entire thing. There we go. So now that you have the coins balanced, you wanna have another glass over here, an empty one, and you wanna have some amount of liquid in this glass. The challenge is, can they pour this glass into the other one without disturbing the coins? All you do is put your fingers on the outside edges of the coins and press against the glass. That will hold the coins in place on the glass. You can then come over here, pour the liquid into the other cup, set it back down. You're then going to bring the coins together on the glass, move one up the side and pin it on the inside to pinch the coins. And just like that, you've not dropped the coins or spilled the liquid, and you win the challenge. Okay, here's a really fun magic challenge that you guys can pull off at home with your friends. All you have to do is take this straw and the glass bottle. You have to lift the glass bottle off the table, fully off the table, using the straw, but the only rule is you cannot touch the bottle. You have to figure out a way to lift the bottle all the way off the table using the straw. You have 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Like the whole thing, if I can get it on the straw. Oh,
a minute left.
What? How would I do that? I don't know. I don't know.
This is a classic magic challenge bar bet. All you do is bend the straw in the middle, just like this. You bend the end of it, actually. So it goes right down in the bottle like this. You don't have to touch the bottle. And then that straw will begin to unfold as the neck of the bottle widens. Just like that. And it'll wedge so that you can lift the entire bottle right off the table. Just like that. Okay, this is a really good challenge. So I have 2 wine goblets here. Real glass, and we have a balloon. The challenge is, can you pick up the 2 glasses using the balloon, and you can't touch the glasses. Like you have to use the balloon, and like the glasses have to be somehow lifted by the balloon, but you can't be touching the glasses like while they're lifted.
The glasses have to be lifted at the same time? What would the balloon be for if I didn't have to blow it up? But then I don't even know what I'm going for.
Okay, here is the secret. So you take the 2 glasses and you're gonna lay them down on their sides like this, and then you sandwich the balloon in between them, and then inflate the balloon like this. pinch it off, and just like that, you can lift the two glasses into mid-air using the balloon. You're not touching the glasses at all. That's a win. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 10 magic chain and ring tricks to 10 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment on the video. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. Alright, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Please send us an email with your full mailing address to this email address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, you can catch up by watching it right over there. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.